Have you ever wondered how to effortlessly boost your savings without the hassle of traditional banks? Well, today, we're diving into the world of EQbank and exploring the simple process of adding money to your account. EQbank, a digital-only bank, has gained popularity for its competitive interest rates and convenient online platform. But how do you actually get started? In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of funding your EQbank account. Step 1. Sign up for an EQbank account. If you haven't already, create an EQbank account online. Provide your personal information and complete the verification process. Step 2. Link your bank account. To transfer funds from your existing bank, you'll need to link your account to EQbank. Select the Link Bank Account option and follow the on-screen instructions. You may need to provide your bank's routing number and account number. Step 3. Choose your funding method. EQbank offers several convenient ways to add money to your account. Interac e-transfer, send funds instantly from another Canadian bank. Bank transfer, initiate a transfer from your linked bank account. Pre-authorized debit, PAD set up recurring automatic transfers. Deposit check, if you prefer a more traditional method, you can mail a check to EQbank. Step 4. Enter the amount. Once you've selected your funding method, enter the desired amount you want to transfer to your EQbank account. Step 5. Confirm and complete. Review the transaction details and confirm your transfer. EQbank will process your funds according to the chosen method. Additional tips. Security. Always prioritize online security when dealing with financial transactions. Be cautious of phishing attempts and ensure you're using a secure internet connection. Fees. EQbank generally doesn't charge fees for most transactions, but it's always a good idea to review their fee schedule for any specific exceptions. Customer support. If you encounter any issues or have questions, EQbank's customer support team is available to assist you. Adding money to your EQbank account is a straightforward process that can be completed in just a few simple steps. By following these guidelines, you can start taking advantage of the competitive interest rates and convenient features that EQbank offers. Ready to start saving with EQbank? Sign up today and experience the difference. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.